Yo, what's going on? Sting_R1 right there on the screen, back at it. So what has been going on? I filmed a whole video taking the sprocket off of the bike, taking the tire off, everything, getting the new sprocket. All of that audio was kind of crap, so I'm gonna put in what I had without audio, maybe put music over it or something like that. But what's going on right now? Do I know you? No, I don't. What's going on right now? We got to go get a caliper from Lowe's or Home Depot. I don't know where I'm gonna get it from. Got to get a caliper so when I rivet the chain, the master link, I can have it whatever to the spec that it needs to be. The boys at Dupage Honda Yamaha are borrowing me a rivet tool to you know, press the master link together and all that good stuff. So another shout out to them. I'm gonna put a video clip of where their shop is at right now. Shout out to the homies at Yamaha, Dupage Honda Yamaha. If you're in the Chicagoland area and you need to have anything done to your motorcycle, make sure to go hit them up. They are the boys. They will always be the hookup. Yeah, we are in the Mustang right now, getting on over to Home Depot so that we can get this done, and then Nick's house, and then I'll meet you back at the house. Actually, fast forward to Home Depot right now. So we in the shop. We got to go over like 8 aisles anyway, so just to fill you in on the bike, since you're not, the whole beginning footage is gonna be trash. So this is an easy job. You take off the wheel, you take off the sprocket, you take off the old chain, put on the new sprockets, new chain, that's it. But the rear sprocket had a nut on it that was completely screwed. So basically, since that got all screwed up, I had to take it out to my buddy Nick's shop, who his dad owns a shop out here for motorcycles, and got a new bolt put in. Like the old one had to get cut out, so now we have the sprocket on the bike. We have everything ready to go, but I just need a caliper to measure the rivets, or measure what I need to rivet it to on the master link, and then the bike is going to be back in business and we're going to be back riding again. And then we got a microphone coming in for the GoPro, which is what I'm filming on right now, so I'll be able to moto vlog or whatever, be able to have quality audio while on the motorcycle. So we gotta find a caliper tool. Wearing the butt cheeks. Cutting tools, nope. Hammers, nope. Hooks, nope. Wrenches, tool belts, nope. We finally found these bitches. But do we get the expensive one with the digital or the cheap one? Fucking look at that price difference. We're gonna get this one. Always get the better shit. We got it. $30 for a caliper, dude. I don't know about you, but like $30 hurts. That hurts the bank account a lot. But anyway, we getting back in the car. Insert moan. Get a quick start. But yeah, we gotta head over to Nick's house now. Meet up with the boy, get the rivet tool, and get back to the house so we can finish this. Already got the front sprocket cover off. This just needs to pop off. Chain, Vortex front sprocket, Vortex rear sprocket that I was using to film. Yeah, that's it. But first, we gotta go get food or I'm gonna die. So let's do that. Got to the car, have no keys, so you gotta get that wine monster, get the wallet, get the keys, and we're gone. Okay, let's go. Hey, can I get a hotcakes and sausage, extra sausage?
Will that be all for you?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, 554, personal, please.
Sounds good. Don't get that wind noise. GoPros suck. But yeah, so we're on a GoPro Hero 5, if anybody's wondering, for camera quality and mic quality. I do have a DSLR, but don't have a microphone for it, so it sounds kind of trash. Once we get the microphone on that, we'll start doing vlogs on that too. What's the plan now? We're gonna go home. I'm gonna eat this food and I'm gonna charge the GoPro. Well, right now I'm gonna do a little poll because we gotta spice up the video somehow. And then we're gonna get to that sprocket, and that's what we're gonna do. We're back. We got Nick in the video.
What up?
Okay. Finally got these tools, bro. Finally got these tools. We gotta get this bike fixed up and ready to go. We're going back to the house.
The house. Made a stop at the shop. Got some tools. We'll be up and at them in a minute. But got
Mustang.
the
Mustang.
VIP parking only.
Oh yeah. We'll see you back at the house.
How big?
Large turbo, that's right.
Very large. Mint. New chain. Rear sprocket. Front sprocket looking mint. This janky stand setup. What?
Don't talk about it. So what's cracking? We're done with the bike. We're gonna get some pictures of Nick going on it. Professional rider here.